Ever wish Excel could just do the boring stuff for you? Good news! It finally can. Meet Excel Copilot, your built-in AI assistant that automates repetitive tasks so you can focus on what actually matters: insights, not formulas. Let's start with task 1, cleaning the messy data. You know those spreadsheets full of typos, extra spaces, or weirdly formatted dates? Now, instead of using 10 different formulas, you can just type Copilot, clean this data set, fix dates, remove duplicates, and standardize names. And just like that, boom, your data is instantly cleaned. It even suggests improvements before applying changes so you stay in total control. Task 2. Summarizing and analyzing data. Let's say you have a massive sales sheet from multiple regions. Instead of manually creating pivot tables, you can ask Copilot, summarize sales by region and highlight the top performers. Within seconds, it builds a summary table and even creates a visualization like a bar or pie chart. Automatically. It's like having your own data analyst but into Excel. Task 3. Generating reports and insights. Tired of writing the same monthly updates? Now you can say, Copilot, create a performance summary for Q3, include growth trends and key highlights. It will generate a written report complete with visuals and insights. You can tweak the tone, professional, concise, or even presentation ready. Excel Copilot isn't just a tool. It's your new productivity partner. And if you want to learn how to use AI like this in your daily workflow, check out Learnbay's GenAI and Data Analytics program. Because the future of work isn't manual, it's intelligent. So learn smart, automate smarter. Visit www.learnbay.co today.